Hi, you guys, it's Melanie, and welcome back to Living Luxuriously for Less, where we celebrate, decorate, and enjoy everyday life for less. In today's video, you are going to see how I decorated our church in a all red monochromatic color palette in order to celebrate the Pentecost. So I hope you guys enjoy today's video. Everything that I used to design this space is linked on my Amazon Live video, and I will be sharing that with you guys in the description box as well as in the first pinned comment. So without any further delay, let's hop right in. So here's what our fellowship hall looked like before the transformation. Keep it in mind it holds about 40 to 50 people comfortably, and here's what it looked like after. So for the backdrop, I opted to go with this red floral wall. You guys have seen this before from Rose Morning. I absolutely loved it. And for the carpet, I ordered the red carpet off of Amazon. And then on the wings on either side of the red rose wall, we did the drama draping, and I absolutely love the way that it turned out. I am just in love with that. And then behind one of the guest tables to cover up the TV, I actually did the red shimmer wall. And I only have one pack of panels, so that's why we had to stand it up on top of a container in order for it to fully cover. But you couldn't see it because the table was in front of it. For the guest tables, we opted for these red monochromatic florals that was a mixture of roses and hydrangeas. I also used the red velvet tablecloths and the red seat cushion covers to give it more of that monochromatic look. And the centerpiece and the gold chairs that my sister-in-law provided were all just that pop of, color that you needed, that just something to break up all of the red. And so I love the way that it turned out as well. You guys remember me sharing these wire centerpieces several years ago. They were trending then. They are still on trend, and they are a great way to add height to your space without going over budget. Now for the table, I already had it set up for our caterer. I put down the plastic tablecloth on top of the red rosette tablecloth because we were going to be doing a huge charcuterie table. And so I wanted to just kind of share that piece as well. Okay, you guys, so now let's get into the actual tabletop design. For the chargers, I use these honeycomb themed chargers. I got these from the Dollar Tree about a year or so ago. I absolutely love the pop on them, and they were the perfect shade of gold for this particular event. And on the napkin rings, I use bling from totallydazzled.com. You guys know how much I love Totally Dazzle. And at the base of the centerpiece, I combined some floating candles along with the bud vases that I'm always showcasing on Amazon Live with you guys. Absolutely love it. And as far as the table, because we were just doing charcuterie tables, or a charcuterie for the menu, we only needed forks. And so one of the things you want to remember when it comes to etiquette, you don't want to put more serving or utensils on the table than what you actually need. So whatever dish you're serving, a utensil should match that dish. Now, speaking of matching, I absolutely love the way that this crystal chandelier just brought the entire space together. It gave it the perfect element of bling. I got this one recently, and I want to show you guys a quick tutorial on how easy it is to put together. Let's get into it. One of my most requested centerpieces is this gorgeous 5-tier chandelier table piece, and it is definitely a showstopper. In today's video, we're going to put one together. Let's get started. Now, when I tell you that this tabletop chandelier is a showstopper, I mean just that. The crystals are so brilliant and they shine like diamonds instantly, and they add elegance and opulence to any event. But here's the catch, you guys. The crystals are already attached. So that means no hours spent hooking on each crystal one by one. And when I tell you they make a room beautiful, they make it shine. If you're planning an event or a wedding and you want the glam without the hassle, this piece is definitely it. Be sure to read the caption on how you can add this beauty to your next wedding, birthday party, celebration, or event. Now look at how beautifully it blended for our table. Oh my goodness, the food was so delicious. And I used all of the risers that I've been showcasing on Amazon Live, the containers, all those things. Now you get to see what it looked like. It was so delicious. It fed over 150 people. Everyone enjoyed it to the fullest extent. The chicken salad, the pasta salad, the fruit dips. I mean, you guys, it was something on there for everyone. It didn't matter what their dietary constraints were. We were able to accommodate everybody's individual needs as it came to food. And I absolutely love the way that it turned out. And again, all of that will be linked down below. Now, for the pastor's lounge, we did something a little bit different. Of course, it's more intimate. This is where all of the pastors ate. We used the rotating centerpieces under the smaller vases that I shared with you guys. We also used the real cutlery and, all of that in the back because their meal was a little bit, you want to be a little bit more fancy. I also use the pieces from eFavorite for the candles and the crystals and it just so beautiful, you guys. So the main table sat 6 people, and then we had like a high boy buffet or high boy table next to the buffet table, and it also sat 2 people, and it was also on the rotating centerpiece. I am just gonna be y'all gonna see all of my centerpieces rotating, okay? I absolutely love it. So this is what their buffet looked like in the back. It was also very similar to ours, but just a little bit smaller. Are you passionate about event design and decor? Or do you find yourself dreaming of turning your passion into a profitable business? Well, if so, look no further than Lux Academy. Our online, self-paced, and in-person courses will provide you with all the tools, resources, and guidance that you need to establish a successful business in the wedding and event planning industry. From contracts and pricing to financing and branding, we have got you covered. With our Lux lectures, our labs, and our legacies, you'll gain the knowledge and the insight you will need to create beautiful backdrops, stunning centerpieces, and you will also learn how to negotiate and host client consultations. Join us at Lux Academy and turn your passion into profit by enrolling today. Payment plans are available. We also have free classes that are offered, so be sure to check us out at luxacademy.online. That concludes the tour of the fellowship hall and the pastoral lounge along with the food tables. I hope that you guys got to enjoy seeing how everything comes together once I share it to you on a live, just kind of seeing how that all comes together. It's really fun for me to share with you all. So let me know in the comments below which aspect of this design was your favorite. Was it the backdrop? Was it the table design? Was it the pastoral lounge or the food tables? Let me know down in the comments below, and if you'd like to see more videos like this one. Thank you all so much for watching. I will see you guys at the next video. Until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers!